Hello, welcome back to Casual Kickabout FC for our big game today. Warrington Town against FC United of Manchester. What a game this is going to be here. Atmosphere's already cranking up. Warrington dominated the game so far, which weren't really expected. I expected us to be at least 2-0 down by now. No, it's absolutely disgraceful though. All the FC United fans in the home end. FC United on the attack here. Out to the edge of the box, good block. Christian. Warrington have it back. They're driving. That's clearly a foul. Played out to the side. I'll have United will be going for the ball. Come on. Well, I don't know the out. You ain't getting that back. Well, we probably will because it's going into like that bit there.
I'm not being funny enough because I threw a bottomless sponge at Turtle Bay for his birthday. I drank every single drink on that's it.
Oh, you lost it. Oh.
2-0. Come on, boys, come on.
No crap. Oh, no pen. Speaking too soon, eh? Yeah! What a goal! Come on! Ooh. Warrington! Oh no, he's good, Matty Waters. He's gone in the corner.